Are you ready to turn your kitchen from a chaotic mess into a culinary paradise? If you've ever found yourself struggling with cooking or feeling overwhelmed in the kitchen, you're not alone. Today we're diving into 20 essential kitchen tools for beginners that will not only solve your kitchen woes, but also make cooking a whole lot more fun. These Amazon products are the secret weapons you didn't know you needed, and trust me, they'll change your cooking game forever. But before we jump into the countdown, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos. You won't want to miss what we have in store for you. And don't forget to check the description below for links to all these amazing products. Alright, let's get started with our countdown, beginning with number 20. Number 20, Kitchen Mama Red Automatic Smooth Edge Can Opener. Imagine this, it's a cozy evening, and you're all set to whip up a delicious chili. You grab the can of beans, but your old can opener is putting up a fight. Enter the Kitchen Mama Red Automatic Smooth Edge Can Opener. This little gadget is a game changer. Just place it on the can, press a button, and watch it glide around effortlessly, leaving a smooth edge behind. No more sharp metal edges to worry about, and no more sore hands. It's perfect for anyone who wants to simplify their cooking experience. Number 19, Farberware Easy to Use Pro Pump Spinner. Now let's talk salads. We all know they're healthy, but washing and drying greens can feel like a chore. Picture this, you've just come back from the farmer's market with a bunch of fresh greens, and you're excited to make a vibrant salad. That's where the Farberware Easy to Use Pro Pump Spinner comes in. Toss your greens in, pump the handle, and watch the water fly off like a mini tornado. Your salad will be crisp and ready to go in no time. Say goodbye to soggy salads and hello to fresh, crunchy goodness. Number 18, OXO Good Grips Large Salad Spinner. If you're hosting a dinner party, you'll want to check out the OXO Good Grips Large Salad Spinner. This beauty holds over 6 quarts of greens, making it perfect for family gatherings. Imagine whipping up a big salad for your guests with just a push of a button. You'll feel like a salad making pro in no time. Number 17, Antonki Digital Kitchen Timer. Now, let's not forget about timing. Ever burned a dish because you lost track of time? Yeah, we've all been there. The Antonki Digital Kitchen Timer is here to save the day. It lets you set multiple timers, so whether you're baking cookies or boiling pasta, you'll never miss a beat. The large display is easy to read, and the loud alarm will ensure you're alerted even if you're lost in a Netflix binge. Number 16, Geedle Rotary Cheese Grater. Cheese lovers, rejoice. The Geedle Rotary Cheese Grater is your new best friend. Imagine grating a mountain of cheese for your homemade pizza without breaking a sweat. Just load it up, turn the handle, and watch as it effortlessly transforms blocks of cheese into fluffy shreds. It's also great for veggies, so you can get creative with your meals. Picture yourself hosting a pizza night with friends, and the cheese is flying off the grater. Everyone will be impressed. Number 15, Pyrex Glass Mixing Bowl Set. Every kitchen needs a reliable mixing bowl, and the Pyrex Glass Mixing Bowl Set is a classic. Think about those family recipes passed down through generations. You need a bowl that can handle it all: mixing, marinating, and serving. These bowls are tough as nails, scratch resistant and stain resistant. They'll last you for years. Plus, they come in various sizes, making them perfect for everything from mixing batter to serving salads. And did I mention they're microwave and dishwasher safe? Easy peasy. Number 14, mrs.meyress.cleanday.kitchenbasicset. Keeping your kitchen clean is just as important as cooking, and the MRES Meyers Clean Day Kitchen Basic Set makes it a breeze. Imagine the delightful scent of basil filling your kitchen as you clean up after a delicious meal. This eco-friendly cleaning set includes a multi-surface cleaner, hand soap, and dish soap. You'll feel good about using these products, knowing they're tough on grime but gentle on the environment. Your kitchen will smell amazing, and you'll feel like a cleaning superstar. Number 13, Farberware Euro Peeler. Let's talk about peeling. The Farberware Euro Peeler is here to change your game. Gone are the days of struggling with stubborn skins. Imagine peeling a pile of potatoes for a cozy family dinner. This peeler glides through fruits and veggies like butter. It's comfortable to hold and even has a built-in eye remover for potatoes. You'll be peeling with ease and confidence in no time, making meal prep a breeze. Number 12. Expandable utensil tray. If your kitchen drawers look like a tornado hit them, it's time for the expandable utensil tray. Picture this. You open your drawer, and instead of chaos, you see a neatly organized array of utensils. This nifty organizer adjusts to fit your drawer perfectly, keeping all your utensils in check. No more digging through a jumbled mess to find that spatula. With this tray, everything has its place, and you'll feel like a kitchen organization guru. Number 11. Kitchen thermometer. Cooking meat can be tricky, but the kitchen thermometer takes the guesswork out of it. Imagine you're grilling steaks for a summer barbecue and you want them cooked to perfection. Just insert the probe and it'll tell you exactly when your chicken is perfectly cooked or your steak is medium rare. No more cutting into meat to check if it's done. This gadget has your back, ensuring your meals are always cooked to perfection. Number 10. Silicone baking mat. Baking can be a messy affair, but the silicone baking mat is here to save the day. Forget about parchment paper that sticks to your cookies. This reusable mat creates a non-stick surface that makes baking a breeze. Just place it on your baking sheet and you'll have perfectly baked treats without the fuss. Plus, it's super easy to clean. Just wipe it down or toss it in the dishwasher. Number 9. Food storage containers. Leftovers can be a lifesaver, but they often end up in sad, mismatched containers. Enter the food storage containers. These airtight wonders keep your food fresh and organized. Imagine opening your fridge to find neatly stacked containers, each holding delicious meals ready to be enjoyed. They come in various sizes, perfect for everything from single servings to family meals. Plus, they're microwave and dishwasher safe, making reheating and cleaning a total breeze. Number 8. Non-stick frying pan. A good frying pan is a kitchen essential, and the non-stick frying pan is a must-have. Picture this. You're making a delicious omelet for breakfast and everything slides right out of the pan without a hitch. It cooks everything evenly and makes cleanup a snap. Whether you're frying eggs or sauteing veggies, this pan has you covered. Plus, the comfortable handle makes it easy to maneuver. Say goodbye to stuck-on food and hello to delicious meals. Number 7. Cutting board set. Protect your countertops and elevate your food prep game with a cutting board set. Imagine chopping fresh vegetables for a stir fry and you have the perfect board for each task. These boards come in various sizes and colors, making it easy to designate one for meat, another for veggies, and so on. The non-slip feet keep them stable while you chop away, and they're easy to clean. You'll wonder how you ever cooked without them. Number 6. Measuring cups and spoons. Accurate measurements are key to great cooking, and the measuring cups and spoon set has everything you need. Picture yourself baking a cake, and you need precise measurements for the perfect rise. With clear markings and a variety of sizes you'll never guess again. The stainless steel construction means they'll last for years, and the attached ring keeps them organized. Perfect measurements equal perfect dishes. Number 5. Garlic press. If you love garlic, and who doesn't, the garlic press is a game changer. Imagine the aroma of freshly minced garlic filling your kitchen as you prepare a delicious pasta dish. No more sticky fingers or messy chopping. Just pop a clove in, squeeze, and voila! Perfectly minced garlic every time. It's made from durable stainless steel, and cleanup is a breeze. Your dishes will be bursting with flavor in no time. Number 4. Blender. A powerful blender is a kitchen superstar. From smoothies to soups, this gadget does it all. Imagine starting your day with a refreshing smoothie packed with fruits and veggies. With a high-performance motor and sharp blades, you can blend anything to perfection. The large pitcher is perfect for family-sized servings, and the easy-to-use controls make it a breeze. You'll be whipping up delicious drinks and meals in no time. Number 3. Instant Pot. If you want to revolutionize your cooking, the Instant Pot is a must-have. This multi-cooker combines the functions of a pressure cooker, slow cooker, and more, making it perfect for busy weeknights. Picture yourself throwing in ingredients for a hearty stew, setting the timer, and letting it work its magic while you relax. You'll have flavorful meals ready in a fraction of the time, and cleanup is a breeze. Number 2. Air fryer. Craving fried food but want to eat healthier? The air fryer is your answer. Imagine biting into crispy fries or chicken wings without the guilt. It gives you that crispy texture we all love without the excess oil. Using rapid air technology, it cooks food evenly and quickly, so you can enjoy your favorite fried treats without the guilt. It's perfect for everything from fries to chicken wings. Number 1. Knife set. Last but definitely not least, we have the knife set. A good knife set is the backbone of any kitchen. Picture yourself effortlessly slicing through vegetables and meats with precision. With a variety of high-quality quality knives, you'll be ready for any cooking challenge. The sharp blades and comfortable handles make food prep a breeze. Plus, the stylish block keeps everything organized and within reach. You'll feel like a culinary pro in no time. Thanks for hanging out with us and exploring these essential kitchen gadgets. Remember to check the description for links to all these products, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video.